Is this thing even on?
Hey guys, Oli here from Oli's Woodshop. This is the home edition, and I'm going to be taking you through our home. Well, kind of, but not like a tour or anything. Just, you're in my house. I'm not at the shop. Anyways, yeah, I just thought of that home edition and I was like, how cute is that? Okay, so the reason for this video is a pregnancy announcement. Not really, but yes. Yes, Art and I are having a baby boy in January, and we both think it's not totally safe and healthy if I'm down at the shop and woodworking. So, I mean, I'll do little things here and there, but when the guys are all there, all of the employees and stuff, and they're powder coating and everybody's on every single machine, it gets pretty dusty and the powder and stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna be like that weekend warrior gal, going down there and doing a few things here and there. But for the majority of things, I can do pretty much all of the office-y stuff from home. But anyways, so I guess I just want to kind of give a summary and an update on what is to come. Well, I'll give you a big bomb. Art is at work all day, 5 a.m. to whatever time he gets home. Like, what time is it right now? It's 5, and he's probably be home by like 7 or 8. Anyways, but with that being said, I am going to be in front of the camera, but I'm also gonna be behind the camera. Yeah, I'm like nervous for that because first of all, I don't know anything about cameras. Second, I don't know how to edit. Third, I know squat diddly and I'm a noob and I'm amateur, super amateur. Like, let me just tell you a little bit about my video that happened today. Take 100. So I got up early. I was like, I'm gonna do this. I posted it on Instagram. I'm like, gonna be committed to this. I'm gonna do this video. Grabbed the camera, set it up, you know, filmed the intro, and then I did, you know, went downstairs, you know, showed all this. So anyways, what's to come in the home edition? Let's just get to it. You guys know me too well though. Rabbit hole, huge, far and deep. So what's to come, home edition, baby room. I can't wait to design this baby room. I have just so many ideas and I keep seeing things and I'm like, oh, that we could do this, we could do this. But the majority of the design elements are coming from Montessori. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much like a learning, and I mean, I'm still learning about it, but they have a book for infancy, Montessori for from infancy. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But they pretty much, it's all about how they design a baby's room and to make it not so stimulating in a sense. So this is just kind of what I really got passionate about, and it really clicked with me, and I really fell in love with just learning about it, and I spilled it onto Art, and Art really like grasped onto it too, and he really liked it. And he was like, yeah, like 100%, I'm totally for that. I like the design elements, you know, just more simple, modern, not really that's Montessori, but that's kind of the simplicity of the room. So we're really excited to get started on that, but I do have a few projects that I wanted to be done before the room got started. We have like a little den downstairs next to the baby room, and and we really wanted to get that done. So we're gonna hang a TV in there, and because I'm in the living room right now, we have a weird setup here, and you can't put a TV in here. So anyways, we're gonna put a TV downstairs, and there's a couch down there. We did get a couch and a rug. And yeah, so I will show you I like to call the baby's room right now the insane asylum, because it's just white walls and concrete floors, which I'm going to get like a rug and everything, like maybe a little padded rug or something. And then obviously fill the walls up, because it's so echoey in there. It's so echoey because there's nothing, so it just boom echoes. So, and that's just like some things that I'm really passionate about. One big thing, clearly. So I really just wanted to hop on here and tell you that I'm pregnant, and then also tell you that I'm going to be editing, and bear with me, learning curve. We'll see, excuse me. We'll see how I do. I'm like so nervous about editing this and like putting the pieces together. I'm gonna get some B-roll and get some of this and that. So anyways, just some books that I'm passionate about, the Montessori stuff, and then I'm really been into like some health aspect stuff. Also getting just some, you know, little projects around the house. Like we need an entry table. I just like organized our garage. I need to do our entry closet, I don't know, the closet over here. And then just a few other little knick-knacky things around here that need to get done. We are still working on the driveway. It's snail pace, the city permits things. Now we needed a civil engineer, I don't know. So anyways, the driveway, and then yeah. We also have like a balcony deck thing, and that will be getting redone because there were some leaks on it. The joys of home ownership. So, and then plants. I've been really into plants too. I could show you my plants one day. Anyways, so just, I don't know what the videos are gonna be, but it's gonna be home edition. Everything home, and just me vlogging and taking you along. Obviously super passionate about woodworking, clearly, Ollie's wood shop. I just am not gonna be building for a little bit. There is some things that I'll be doing in the shop, but I won't be building and sanding, especially like so much. Even though we have masks and stuff, but still, we just wanna take as much precaution as possible so the little guy comes out as healthy as can be. So yeah, that's just some things to come. I do want to take you downstairs to show you the baby's room, and just the blank canvas. There's really not much to look at, but the blank canvas that we have to work with, which I am excited. I actually do have some colors in mind, thinking more of a sagey green, obviously white, and then gray. I'm not sure what color the rug will be, and then just some really natural wood furniture. And that's kind of my design right now. That's all I kind of got. I definitely want a mirror in there. Yeah, I don't know, like over the dresser or something. I have ideas, but it'll all come together. So let's go downstairs and check out the insane asylum. Let's go. This is the room, you guys. Oh, this was like a picture that Art and I aren't, this is like a picture that Art and I weren't too excited about. But these are the floors. I actually really love the floors in here. They came out, I think, the best because you can see all the cracks and stuff. I love that. I think it gives it so much character. That is the video. I'm gonna get some B-roll right now and edit this tonight. And if it's any good, I think Art's gonna laugh. He's gonna be like, that's her video, that's her B-roll. I'm like, yeah, that's my B-roll. That's my video. So anyways, that's just some stuff to come, and I will keep you guys updated on everything and all the projects. I'm gonna take you along with me, so follow along.